Hello viewers, I welcome you all for the OMSI Academy. So we are going to start the classes for engineering mechanics for first year students, mechanism structures and or strength of metal for civil and mechanical students, fluid mechanics, structural analysis, design of earth structures and design of steel structures. So if you are interested, you can join online or offline. You can text the message or you can WhatsApp me, and the class timings are that is morning 7 to 8 and 8 to 9, and after 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. And if you are interested, you can join the class. So you can attend one demo lecture and you can decide yourself. So if you are interested for online, you can attend a demo lecture, or if you are interested for the offline classes, or also you can join. If you are, I'm in Pune, so in Narhe or in Vadgaon, we have the branches, so you can join, and I will go 100% confidence that you will clear the subject with good marks. So already we are completed nearly 5 to 6 batches with 90 to 95% of result. So first, I will not tell the things like that only. You attend the demo lecture, you attend some classes, you make sure yourself you have to continue with this class or not. So this is the one thing. If you want to discuss more thing regarding the subjects or fee structure, all those things, so you can call me or you can WhatsApp me on this number. So we'll discuss. So this is the one thing I want to tell you. So thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you very much.